Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. Much cooler, less humid with lows. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Wood County in northeastern Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Grand Saline, or 11 miles west of Mineola, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Quitman, Pleasant Grove, Golden, Forest Hill, Alba, and Yantis. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now let's check on your local